Untangled, one of our all-time favourites. Whether you have got a full head of hair extensions and you're sick and tired of your ends being tatty and dry, or you've got children and they cry and moan when you try to comb the hair through, or anybody that feels like their ends are a little bit dehydrated and you just need that little bit of moisture, this leave-in detangling moisturising conditioner is just fantastic. It comes in a spray, which I absolutely love, so it's easy to apply. And if you have a little look, it's just like a very light, creamy consistency. And it just dissolves and absorbs beautifully, so it's totally weightless. But the feedback we've had off this is fantastic. Everybody that started using it is just, that's it, they can't go back. So you're just going to mist this in on your hair when it's wet. And I would always just say hold it and just mist a little bit to the mid-length to ends, and then you can sort of comb through or go through with your tangle teaser, and then that way you know that it's all evenly distributed and you're not getting that sort of area that's covered and then another area that's not. I always recommend combing through the products. But I hope you enjoy it as much as we do.